Old 1800s house today with my buddy John and Drew. All right, I got another target right here. See the top of it when I started digging. There's a lot of iron in here. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Awesome. I'll keep it. Found a little lipstick right here.
Hit something deep.
Pretty cool. Right on the back side of the old house. I didn't get it in the dig. It was a large piece of iron and I knew it and I wanted to dig it on up. I'm glad I did. I'll have to see if the rest of it's here. I think it's just gonna be the face. Pretty cool. Check that out. It's old lock face.
I know something right here. Oh, so weird.
Pretty cool. I got to say, look at that. Look at that, baby.
Daddy will be.
Look at that baby right there.
Only show him that.
Check that out. What do you think, John?
I like it.
Drew, check it out, man.
I just read another lock somewhere. You found that other piece.
Definitely got to clean that up, see if it still works.
Yeah, for sure. Very cool, huh?
The holes all.
From here, pretty solid 30s, kind of back behind the old house place. I'm thinking probably shotgun head stamp. We're gonna see. Yep. Gonna be another head stamp. Get it out to another spot. You don't see many cellar holes in the state of Alabama, but that's a cellar hole. Just found a makeup compact. Of course, now that's probably gonna be 50s or so, but makeup compact right here. So could be anything. Y'all stick around, man. We'll find something. Shoot, Drew done got his first find on the metal detector. Good job, man.
I got it. Appreciate it.
I like it. Awesome. He's running the T2 Plus today. Maybe we'll get on him some silver in a minute.
I got it working.
Oh, okay, good. This old tree right here and turn that Zippo out of that hole.
Water.
Yeah. Let's see if it's a Zippo for real though.
Huh.
It still got, it was brand new when it got lost. It still got the sticker on the back. It is a Zippo. These are warranted for lifetime. It was buried deep in some old grown up moss. It's probably, I don't know. Somebody lost that and regretted it though. I like it. All right, I'm on the back side of the cellar hole, letting them boys work it close. And looks like I've hit another compact right here. Let's see. Ooh, it's got some pretty on it too. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, let's see if that was all of it. Yeah, that was it. All right. Next hole.